Today I'm going to show you a pattern that you can use over your major chord. Let's take C as an example. This is my C major triad. So right when you end the song, use this pattern. Okay, do that one more time. D, G, and now we have a descending part of the pattern. C, B, G, D. Again, C, B, G, D. Notice I just shifted the hand down. And you can go as high and as low as you want. So let's take it from the top. Remember to start the pattern first with the notes D, G, and then the descending part of the pattern. Okay, so putting it all together. And this pattern can be used with other chords as well. Example F is an F major chord, A minor, C again. And you can do this pattern in reverse as well. So starting from the bottom. Let's do it over F. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you next time here on Christian Piano Arrangements.